Welcome to Introduction to Real Estate Investing. We'll explore the benefits, strategies, and potential challenges of buying rental properties. Let's conquer your fears and unlock your investment potential. Real estate investing is a powerful tool for wealth building, offering long-term appreciation and equity growth. It provides passive income through rental properties, supplementing or replacing primary income. Investors benefit from tax deductions, reducing tax burdens, and portfolio diversification, which mitigates risk and hedges against market volatility. Let's look at the types of real estate. You can explore residential properties like single-family homes and small apartments for steady income. Next, commercial properties such as office buildings offer higher returns but need more expertise. And third, consider real estate investment trusts for real estate exposure without direct ownership if you're not quite ready to buy a property. These provide lower risk due to liquidity and diversification, but less upside as well. Always research thoroughly before investing. Start by assessing your finances, including credit score and savings, to shape your investment strategy. Set clear investment goals, whether for passive income or long-term growth. Build a team of experts like a realtor, mortgage broker, and lawyer to guide you effectively. Conduct thorough market research by examining local real estate trends, employment rates, and demographic shifts. Use artificial intelligence for efficiency, but verify accuracy. Analyze properties using the 007 rule and capitalization rate for return on investment. Consider various financing options, including conventional mortgages, government programs, and creative financing to suit your financial needs. To avoid inadequate due diligence, inspect properties thoroughly and research the neighborhood. Prevent over-leveraging by maintaining a healthy debt-to-income ratio and having cash reserves. Budget for regular upkeep to avoid negligent maintenance. Choose locations wisely by researching area growth, job market, and future development plans. If you have questions on anything real estate related, you can find me on Instagram at Real Estate Investor Gals. The more you know, the sooner you can begin your investing journey. If you prefer even more support, then you're going to love what's next. For ongoing structured support, you can take advantage of my limited time offer and enroll in my self-directed online course, Real Estate Investing 101, at jencorrigan.com/courses. Use code 35EI101 for a 35% discount. Access the 8 comprehensive modules at your own pace and enjoy a free 30-minute private coaching session to address your specific questions and create a tailored strategy for you. Don't let fear or overwhelm stop you. Pop over to jencorrigan.com/courses and explore what's possible for you. I'm excited to hear about your goals and give you personalized suggestions to help you navigate the market and make informed decisions. Happy learning and chat soon.